DLRs, hey, what's going on, Whiteboards with the Whiteboards channel? Thank you for watching. We're talking engines today, and we are referencing our Chrysler Pacifica, but you might not have a Pacifica, and that's okay. However, in the event that your engine is bogging down or sluggish, it may be, believe it or not, one of the things that is completely ignored or not thought of, it may be your oil dipstick is popped out of its little insert. Let's talk more about it. Let's get started. All right, DLRs, we are outside, and in front of us now is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. I want to hop inside the vehicle, pop the hood to the engine compartment, and show you what could be causing your engine to chug and bog down. Coming inside the vehicle and down, and we are going to carefully, not aggressively, don't break it, just open up the hood. Back to the front of the vehicle, I've opened up the hood. Let's go inside the engine compartment and direct our attention right to our oil dipstick. As you can see right there. And again, as you can see, our dipstick is properly inserted inside and secured. It's not loose, it's not out. And what I want to show you as I pull this out, you will see a rubber O-ring. And it's a little tough to get out, but there it is. There's that rubber O-ring, and extremely important rubber O-ring. It's a seal, and it creates a liquid and airtight seal in this little oil canal or chamber that feeds all the way down to your oil pan at the bottom portion of your engine. And as your engine is running, if this O-ring is not properly seated, it is going to allow air into this little cavity and feed into your engine, and your engine will bog down. So double check that O-ring is number one there and properly pushed all the way down. As you see right there, it should make that little clicking noise, and it should not come out very easily, just like that. Taking a step back in DORs, if that does not resolve your engine bogging or chugging, that's okay. We will move on to the next thing to check. In our case with the 2018 Pacifica, right there inside that air filter box is our air filter. And if you've got a Pacifica near 18, it will look very similar and be in the same location. Scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comments and description, will be a link on how to properly and safely replace your air filter inside that box. In addition, check the corrugated or ribbed bellow. If you've got a large hole or slit or crack in it, that's causing an interruption in airflow, and that could cause your engine to bog down and chug. However, if all looks good there and you've replaced the filter and you are still experiencing engine bogging or chugging, underneath this entire cap here is our spark plug chambers, where our spark plugs secure into the engine block, and our ignition coil. And if you actually have to get to that route, down below in the comments and description will be a link on how to properly and safely replace your spark plugs and ignition coil. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.